For this one here, this kind of jack is so time consuming, but that's all you have. What you do is this little lip, there's a little lip inside and under your car right here. Well, mine's rusty, but it's still there.
Can't reach
All you do, you place it there, and you just wind it. But I'm not going to use this because before you have your car off the road, get your jack in place. You have to make sure that your lug nuts is loose.
Your what?
Not take. This is the lug nuts.
Oh, okay.
5, okay? Some cars get 4. You have to make sure this is loose because if you're changing the tire in the back, the tire is always going to spin. So you're not going to get no leeway to take it off. So I already took them off, or like loosened them up. So what you do then, these are, like I said, tire chocks. You have to put them in place. I don't normally use them, but some people would. You have to put them on the back on the opposite side. So if you're changing this tire, you put it on the front. That one on the back. I use my 4-way tire iron because it's so much easier to use. I can just spin it. Okay. And voila. There's that.
Not allowed to have fun yet.
This is the front of the tire. This is the back.
Sure? How do you know?
Yeah.
I'm kidding, Dad.
All you do is take it out of your trunk, line up your lug, line it up with your...
Heavy, isn't it?
No, it's just, I hate to line them up.